In this video, we should discuss about clause, sentence, and type of clause and type of sentences. Just a simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentences. What a clause? A group of words, subject or verb combination. Clause has complete meaning itself. What sometimes it does not have a complete meaning. For example, Rahul play cricket. Subject to verb combination, Rahul and play. Type of clause. There are two type of clause: main clause, dependence clause. Main clause, it stand alone a sentence. For example, she is reading a book. She subject is reading is a auxiliary verb and reading is a verb. So therefore here is a subject verb combination. Subordinate clause, dependence clause. In complete sentence, it cannot stand alone. For example, when the bell rang, the student left the class. The student left the class is the main clause, and when the bell rang is a subordinate clause. Sentence clause. A clause is the part of sentence, but sentence is a complete group of words that express a complete thought. Sentence: I stay at home, main clause, because it was raining, subordinate clause, dependence clause. This sentence has two clause. पर हम कह सकते हैं कि हर सेंटेंस में कम से कम एक क्लाउज होता है, लेकिन हर क्लाउज सेंटेंस नहीं होता है. देयर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज, नाउन क्लाउज, a group of word, subject and verb. Act is a noun. Noun clause start with that, how and which. For example, I fear that I will fail. I fear, main clause. I will fail, subject verb combination is the subordinate clause. Life is what we make it. Life is subject verb combination, main clause and subordinate clause. Adjective clause or relative clause. Adjective clause, act is the adjective and describing a noun. Act is the adjective and start with which or what. For example, the umbrella which had a broken handle is mine. The umbrella is the main clause. A broken is a verb and handle is the subject. Second sentence, he met a girl whose eyes were blue. Main clause and subject or verb dependence clause. Adverb clause, act is a adverb and tells time, region, condition, place, manner, etc. For example, they rested when the evening come. Condition, subject and verb combination, and have a dependence clause and a subordinate clause. We stay inside because it was raining. Reason, it, subject, was raining, the verb. When the bell rings, the student left. Time. Some example, I expected that I shall get a prize. Noun clause. I remember the house where I was born. Adjective clause. They rested when evening come. Adverb clause. Type of sentences. There are three type of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Simple sentence, only one independent clause, main clause, so complete meaning, no dependent clause, subordinate clause. सिंपल सेंटेंस ऐसे वाक्य जिसमें केवल एक ही डिपेंडेंट क्लाउज या मुख्य उपवाक्य होता है, इसे सिंपल. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, आई बॉट ए न्यू कार. वी गो टू स्कूल एवरी डेज, हम रोज़ स्कूल जाते हैं. ही इज़ रीडिंग ए बुक, वो एक किताब पढ़ रहा है. दैट इज़ ए सिंपल सेंटेंस. नाउ द कंपाउंड sentences. Compound sentences have independence clause, main clause, conjunction plus dependence clause, main clause plus conjunction plus independence clause, and two or more independence clause, main clause, joining by the coordinates conjunction is, what, or, nor, for, yet, as well as neither nor, etc. For example, he helped him, he was happy. Independent clause, I helped him. And second independent clause, he was happy. He is sick, yet he was working. There are two independent clause and main clause. He wanted to go for walk, but it was raining. Here is also a two. यहाँ भी दो मेन क्लाउज है. Student C studies hard, so she passed the exam. Here C study hard is a main clause, and C passed the exam is also a main clause. Complex sentences. Complex sentences is a sentence that contain one independent यानी मेन क्लाउज और एक या एक से अधिक डिपेंडेंट्स या सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज होते हैं. जैसे दे आर ज्वाइनिंग बाय द सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन, जैसे एज, ऑल्दो, बिकॉज, सिंस, अनलेस, व्हेन, व्हाइल, एटसेट्रा. आल्सो ज्वाइनिंग बाय रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन whose or which. For example, I went to bed because I was tired. I went to bed means independent main clause. I was tired and subordinate clause. She was wearing a skirt which looks awesome. She was wearing is an independent clause and main clause which look awesome in dependence clause and subordinate clause. Although he is rich, he is a humble. He is a rich, dependent clause. He is a humble is independence clause. Please subscribe my channel and like also.